Ndewo. Ahambo teacher Hope. Let's learn Igbo in a fun way. Let's go. To say your name in Igbo, you say Ahambo Chidimma. If someone asks you in Igbo, Kedu aha gị? You say Ahambo Chidimma. Ahambo Chidera. Ahambo pụtara my name is. Ahambo means my name is. So you say my Ahambo Chidera. Ahambo Chidimma. Ngwakwuo ya kedu aha gị? When you see someone in the morning, when you just get up from your bed and you see someone in the morning, you greet in Igbo, Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m pụtara ụtụtụ ọma my mom or mommy. Ụtụtụ ọma nna m. Ụtụtụ ọma my dad. Okay? So, when you see someone in the morning, you say, Ụtụtụ ọma ngwakwuo ya. Okay? So, when you want to go to bed, you say, Kachifo. Kachifo means good night. Okay? So you say Kachifo. Kachifo. You use Kachifo when you want to tell somebody good night. Kachifo mommy. Kachifo daddy. Ngwakwuo ya Kachifo. Kwuo ya ọzọ. Okay. Yes in Igbo is If someone asks you a question and you want to respond with yes, in Igbo you say But if you want to respond with no, you say mba. Mba. Mba means no, while means yes. Ngwakwuo ya. Good job. When someone comes to your home or party, you say no. No. No means welcome. If your mom returns from work or your dad returns from the office, you say no. No means welcome. Welcome. So say it. Good job. When you receive a gift from someone, you say Dalu. You say Dalu. If mommy buys something for you, or does something for you, or someone does something nice for you, you say in Igbo, Dalu. Dalu means thank you. So say it again. Thank you. Say it. Good job. Say ndo if you want to apologize to someone. In Igbo, you use ndo. Ndo. Ndo means sorry. Ndo means sorry. Okay? So say it. Good job. Anytime you meet someone, you say Ndewo in Igbo. Anytime someone comes to your house as well, you can say Ndewo. If your mom comes back from work, you can also say Ndewo. So, when you want to say hello in Igbo, you simply say Ndewo. Ngwakwuo ya. Good job.